state in the Midwest region of the United States is Missouri. The capital of Missouri is Jefferson City. It sits along the Missouri River and it's named after the third president of the United States, Thomas Jefferson. Missouri is home to the Gateway Arch in St. Louis. It is the tallest arch in the world and the tallest monument in the National Park System of the United States. It's 630 feet high. That's over twice as tall as the Statue of Liberty. Visitors can ride an elevator to the top and look out over the city. The Missouri River is the longest river in North America. It begins in Montana, then flows through North Dakota, South Dakota, Nebraska, Iowa, Kansas, and ends in Missouri. Indigenous Americans used the Missouri River for food and transportation for thousands of years. The name Missouri comes from an indigenous word that has been interpreted differently and loosely translates to mean people of the canoes. Missouri is known as the Cave State. There are over 7,000 caves. You can even explore some of them on family tours to see underground rivers and rock formations. Kansas City, Missouri is famous for barbecue. People visit from all over to taste ribs and sauces that are slow-cooked and smoky.